So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. And here I'm going to tell you how you can write the full book with the help of ChatGPT. So you can create the book and just you can sell on Amazon, or you can create one particular website where you can go and add the payment gateway to sell your ebook. So this is the video where I have showed you how you can create a book. I've also shown you what prompt you should write for writing any of the book. So this is the prompt that I have written. I want that you write a full book for me. This is your time to get creative. Means you are telling this to ChatGPT. The book will be titled "This book is made by IA." That is nothing but AI, artificial intelligence. Can you write a prologue for the book? So the ChatGPT replied, and the ChatGPT wrote a prologue for us. Then I told this prologue looks promising for the book. Okay, so then I told that can you write the first chapter of this book, and the ChatGPT started writing it. So the ChatGPT wrote this first chapter, then I said continue. Again the ChatGPT wrote second chapter. And in that way, if you tell ChatGPT to continue several times, the ChatGPT will write each and every topic should be covered from the book. So as you can see, the chapter 4, then I said now that the chapter is written, I would love to read the following chapter of this book. Can you help the develop story? So even the chapter number 5 just was added with the help of that prompt. Then continue. If you'll see, the ChatGPT have written a book of almost 50 to 60,000 words. So I've told them how is the second chapter titled. Then the ChatGPT told this each and every small changes you can make with help of this prompt. And even you can tell ChatGPT if the content is very small to increase the content by particular number of words. So yeah, in this way you can write the full book using the ChatGPT, and then you can make money, and then you can publish it on Amazon or sell onto your particular website. So this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in, where basically I have created a video on ChatGPT how you can make money using the ChatGPT in 101 different ways. Just come to the website aiconvo.in. I will give you the link in the description. Go through the overview, then go through the curriculum, and if you liked it, then please do purchase it. It's worth it. So if you use code 1120, you will get rupees 400 off again on this 1899 price. So the course will be at 1499. So here just you can see in the curriculum section, I have given each and every detailed chapter that I have made, and I have made around 101 videos. And that's it. I will meet you into the next video. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye.